Hi everyone, this is Neeraj Jaiswal from neeracademy.com. Welcome to the episode. In this episode, we'll learn about instantiating a class to create an object. An instance of a class is an object. So you create an instance of a class by putting parentheses after the class name. Use dot syntax to access the properties and methods of the instance. So in this lesson, we'll reuse the code from the previous lesson. So let's get started. We'll declare a variable shape, which will basically be an object of class shape. Now to access the property shape dot number of sides is equal to 7. So we are setting the value of the number of sides for this particular shape, or rather this particular class, and then we can declare a variable shape description where you can save the description written from the class. So you call the method of that particular class. So here, as you can see on the right side, the result is a shape with 7 sides. This is what it is returning. So this version of the shape class is missing something important, an initializer to set up the class when an instance is created. You can use init keyword to create one. Let me show you how. We'll create another class called nameshape. In this one, I'll just use couple of things from here and copy and paste. Now I'm going to create another property name of type string, and then I will use the init keyword to basically add an initializer where I will be passing the name as argument. So here, if you don't add any initializer, by default you can use the you can use an initializer without passing any argument. That's the default one. So when you want to initialize using some argument, you can use the init keyword and then you can create one. So this is the way to use the init keyword. So you can see how self is used to distinguish the name property from the name argument to the initializer. So this argument is basically referring to this. This one is referring to this one. While when I use self, it is referring to this one, this variable. The arguments to the initializers are passed like a function call when you create an instance of the class. Every property needs a value assigned, either in its declaration as with number of sides, or in the initializer as with the name. You use deinit to create a deinitializer if you need to perform some cleanup before the object is deallocated. It's not always required, but in case if you want to perform the like deinitializing or rather cleanup of something, then you use the deinitializer method using the deinit keyword. So that's all in this episode. This is Neeraj Jaiswal from neeracademy.com signing off from the episode. Happy swifting and have a wonderful time.